Hello, this is Israel from HD Structures, and today I'm going to teach you or guide you on how to export your grid lines and columns from AutoCAD to CSC Orion. Okay, so follow me. So the first thing you do is click on your construction line, then specify whether you want it to go vertical or horizontal. Then we tap V for vertical. Then you now put your grids on those places that you want columns to pass. Let's say we want our columns to pass these places. Good. And then you still pick your grid lines and type H. That is to show you that you want your lines to go horizontally. Alright, yeah. Let's say here is just an example. This is not a real life project. Then you now offset. Let's say you offset half of your wall thickness. Here this wall thickness is 150, so offset half, which is 75. Okay, we have gotten the center. So now delete this one's outside here. We erase them. We erase it. We erase it. Sorry for that. So pick rectangle, draw a rectangle. Yes. Then we trim these extra lines. Now we delete the rectangle too. You can see that we have center lines. Good. All right, so the next thing is we'll take a polyline and draw a column. The columns must be in polylines before CSC Orion we recognize it as column. So we need columns of 230 by 230 by 230. Yes, we close it. Good. We have a column of 230 by 230. This is what I do sometimes to get a center column. I draw diagonals. Yes. Then I now have a center. Good. And now have a center. So the next thing we are going to do is to create layers. So if you want to create layer, come to format, and then you type. Then you now click on layers. It doesn't matter the version you are using. If in other versions you can just simply type on your screen layers and layers will come up. Then you click on new. So this is how I do. I type X, that is the X axis. Then I'll click on another new. I'll double click on it. I'll type Y. Then I'll click on another axis. I'll double click on it and write column. Yes, that's it. So I'll go back, activate my 0. You apply and close. So now if you like, you can change the color of this column when they give you red, so that any place that the column is, we know that yes, this place there's a column. So now we'll now select all our grids in the Y direction, open up our layer and assign it to Y. Now select the grids. We'll select the grids in the X direction, and then insert X there. So the next thing we will do now, you now copy these columns. Okay, let's see, Good. We now assign column to the layer called column. Yes. So now we'll copy selection, we'll copy this column in between those places that want to have column from your general arrangement. Yeah, general arrangement is not covered in this tutorial. And I will cover it in my detailed CSC Orion design class. That one is a professional class that's coming up. Yes, you've succeeded in inserting the columns, which is good. But you know, I first so if I select column now, showing column because of the layer I created. So now I'll select this whole building because sometimes there might be many floor plans in one place. Then I'll type W. It bring me this space. The dimension is in millimeters. Then I'll now open this place here. I'll open this place right here. Yes. And then I'll now save it as DXF. I'll open any folder that you want to save it. My folder here is AutoCAD tutorials. Then maybe I'll save it as Orion export. It's just any name you can know. Yeah, it's okay. Good, I've saved it. Then I'll now go and launch my Orion. Let me type Orion. I'll search. Depending on where you can go to your desktop and launch your Orion. Yeah, I'm launching our Orion. Yes, cancel that. So it comes to this place. So when you come to this place now, you click on new. You insert the project name. Let's say export. Click OK. You choose the code you want to use. Here we are using BS8110. Then the sheet, you can choose the sheet. Then you now click OK. So when you are now in Orion, the next thing you do is you come to file. When you come to file, then you locate import. When you locate import, you come to external reference drawing. You come to external reference drawing. You click on it. Wait for it. They now tells you to load. Then you now load and go. So search here's these structures. AutoCAD tutorial. Then now you now locate your Orion export that you saved in DXF format. Yeah, you come here. Yeah, the dimensions are tallying with the ones we saved there. So it's at the corner here. We want to move it to the center before we can activate any other thing. So we'll bring it here, drag it to the center. It automatically brings us back to this place. So now click on import. So we activate axis. We open the first axis, activate this at X. Open the second axis, activate this at Y. Then we see activate our columns. It automatically goes there as column layer. Yeah, start check. See that we have 0 error. There are no errors. We'll click on cancel. We'll close, and now we have our GRIDS. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my channel. You can like the video too. You can reach us for the detailed AutoCAD CSC Orion tutorial. We are organizing a tutorial, online tutorials. It's personal tutorial depending on your work schedule. Yes, thank you very much.